Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is POCO X7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable OK Google on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings, and right here we have to open this Google option. Right here we have to go to the all services, search assistant and voice, Google Assistant, and now in the Google Assistant settings we have to open this first option, Hey Google and voice match. Right here we have to click on this button of the Hey Google to turn it off, and that's how you can disable OK Google. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.